afternoon, Ms. Jackson. Thank you for attending our interview. My name is Vero Oshariki, and I'm the General Manager for Smkv Designer Beauty, or Oster Street. Together with my colleagues, we'll be interviewing you today. One of my questions is, what will you bring to this company?
Hello, Mrs. Vera. My name is Mrs. Jackson, and it's really a pleasure meeting you this blessed afternoon. One of the things I'll bring to this company will be the skills and ability due to past experiences and knowledge of information technology and reliable sources. And second of all, I will help the company achieve their goals by carrying out all the infrastructures and instructions due to what is required of me and what to do to put as my job.
Good. My next question will be, from your application, you seem to have experience as an IT specialist. Could you tell us, please, how you help the company achieve their goals?
I'll help the company achieve their goals by carrying out all the instructions shown to me and what is required of me to do as part of my job.
Okay, so I'll pass you on to my colleague. I'll pass it to my colleague. She'll be asking you a couple of more questions.
Hi, Mrs. Johnson. I am an assistant manager of Smkv Boutique. My name is Kabia. For example, if the Wi-Fi is not on or very low, what will you do to rectify it?
I'll check out the Wi-Fi connection is done properly with the right password and ethical right to set a password connection.
Now, a customer calls in to say that click button to access a women where on website is not working. What will you do in this instance?
I'll tell her to follow the step-by-step instructions in order to set access to click the button.
Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Johnson. Now we pass you to my colleague.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Jackson. My name is Samuel Burke, and I am the marketing manager for Smkv Designer Beauty. I'd like to ask you some questions regarding the position of an IT specialist. Firstly, if the computer system will not respond or take long to load, what will you do in this situation?
I'll check the network service is on properly, set all the plugs are connected to the computer devices.
Okay. Could you please tell us how, from your own experiences, how you've managed the computer network systems for a smooth running operation?
I will manage by making sure everything in the network system is in a good place and working in good condition, all requirements connected to the right place, password applied to this app with smooth runnings.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Jackson. Thank you for attending the interview. I've got a couple questions for you, if you don't mind. First question, could you please tell me when you face this kind of situation where you have no information and how do you face your own initiative?
In my former workplace, there was a fault with the printer they used to use. So I maneuvered to fix it, and the photocopier was not working, but now it's working, the photocopy machine, because it has features to print, printer machine, and the printer is followed by the instructions and manual, and was able to set a photocopier to print.
Very nice. In a very busy day working, tell us how you would handle your workload?
I handled my work schedule by prioritizing my workload, and the most urgent hold first, and at least was one of the first and last.
Okay, thank you. That's the end of the interview, and would like to thank you for attending again.
You're welcome.
We will definitely call you for the job. Thank you.
Thank you very much.